Active Collab for beginners. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you Active Collab for beginners complete tutorial because guys, nowadays everybody wants to use Active Collab because they have all the industry level features and everybody should use these types of softwares for their personal use because they really help you keep organized. Now, over here on Active Collab, we can see that more than 50,000 teams are working and they have some of the biggest brands over here. So guys, like definitely that is crazy. Now what I want you to do is click on get started, but firstly put in your email. So I want you to from over here choose a password. I'm gonna put in a password over here, and then after that simply click on set password, and then after that simply from over here choose what you want to do. Do you want to work on web design, or you want to work on recruitment process, logo design, growth hacking, or some other form? Click on add sample project or simply click on skip. I'm gonna click on skip for now because I want to basically show you everything, and then after that you will see this dashboard over here. Now they have a very smart guide over here. So from over here click on start a new project. Now once you click on start a new project, after that simply wait for a couple of seconds and then they're gonna let you start off a new project. So from over here type in the project name, basically type in something which your project is about, media production. So basically from over here you can even type in a description of your project. You can type in something like we will produce the content from here, and then click on create project. Now your project is going to be created and you will be able to add members to your team. On the right side you can even add clients as well, but from the left side you can simply invite members. So I'm simply going to click on the search bar and I'm going to put in an email, and then after that I am going to invite this person over here in this workspace. Now once I put in their email, I'm going to click on invite and they are going to receive an email over in their Gmail basically saying that I invited them for collaboration on this workspace. So from over here, once you have all your people in your team, and now what you can do is that you can simply from the left side click on project, and then you will see your project over here. So over here you have your project and you can simply see all your active projects over here. I'm going to click on this project and now I can add basically a list of all the to-dos and everything else. So I'm gonna click on add a task, and then after that I'm going to type in the task name. So I'm gonna type in write script. So once I type in write scripts, after that I type in the search bar basically saying that we need 3 scripts on the following topics. And then after that I'm going to specify the names of the scripts, and then my guy can just simply read the topics and then write scripts on that. Now from the right side I can add an assignee and I can simply assign this to the person that I want this to do. And then also after that I can even see the due dates. I can see the labels as well if I want to assign any labels. So all in all they have every single thing that makes this very, very productive. Now what I want you to do is click on add task from the bottom left. Now once you click on add task, after that you will see this task has been added over in your list. So firstly you have to type in the name as well if you haven't typed in, and then you can add another task as well. So guys, that is how it works, and that is how you can essentially add different tasks and add different things for your whole company. Now at the top you have your discussions panel. If you were to go over there in the discussions panel, we can simply talk to our team in group chats or through personal chats as well through this particular option. If I were to click on new discussion, I can simply type in something over here, type in the name, basically I can type in brainstorming, and then after that I'm going to choose the attachment and the subscribers, and then I'm going to create the discussion. And once I do that I will basically have myself, and then once I do that I will basically have a discussion for myself where I can chat with people and add more people over here as well to basically brainstorm different ideas depending upon what your discussion is about. Then you have the files section. You can share files over here for your team to get access to documents, video files, presentations and stuff like that. And then you have notes as well. You have the time tracking capability too, and then also your expenses. If you want to type in your expenses, you can simply type those over here, and then also keep track of the overall activity over here in the activity section. So guys, that is really impressive, and that is really, really productive to use. From the left side now click on my work, and then you will see all your personal projects if you have assigned yourself any. You have the timesheet option as well, you have the tasks option, you have the activity option, and also the availability option. Now you can use all these to make your workflow more productive and much more beneficial. From the left side, now if you were to click on the activity, again you can see the whole activity, and then going over the calendar, we can even see like the whole calendar. Now you can essentially type in different things. You can type in something like OSA project, and then like simply like assign a date to it, and then click on save, and then you will see it in your project panel. So like I'm gonna type that in again, OSA project, and then once I type in OSA project, I'm gonna click on save. Now they're saying that I need to add a calendar, so I'm gonna type in new calendar, I'm gonna put in a red tag, and then click on create calendar. And once I do that, after that I'm gonna click on create calendar, and then hopefully my calendar is going to be created once I put in the name as well. So I'm going to type in Smallwood Motions, click on create calendar, and your calendar is going to be created. Click on save, and there you go, there is your project. You can add as many things over here as you want, and that is basically how you can keep track of everything. So from the left side, now you can even add more people by clicking on invite people. Then you have the invoice page. So the invoice page is really important because as a business you have to be very careful regarding your taxes. So what the invoice page does is that you simply click on new invoice, and then you can create invoices for different uses to different people. So I'm gonna like simply type in the name of a company, I'm gonna type in an address, and then I can even like put in all the rest of the information, and then this invoice is gonna be created, and then I can just simply send this invoice out via email to whoever I want to send it to. So guys, like honestly that is really nice. Now from the left side you have the estimates page as well, so you can like create a list of estimates over here too if you want to, and that is really beneficial when it comes to basically like managing everything and managing your whole workflow. So when you want to create an estimate, what you can do is that you can simply click on new estimate over here, and then after that you will see this page in front of you. So from over here you can simply fill out all this information, and then your page is gonna be created. So now from over here you can simply fill out all this information, and then your estimate is gonna be created. So guys, that is how easy it is to actually create an estimate. So guys, now what I want you to do is simply take a look at the left side and click on workload. Now you can essentially see your workload quick tips and everything, like all of your projects, the time it takes, and everything like that. Now after that you have your timesheet at the bottom left as well, to basically see how many hours every single person from your team has logged in. So basically you know how much every single person is working. Well guys, now you understand all the features of Active Collab. Now let's take a look at their pricing. If I were to click on buy now, I will be able to like see their pricing. So for the free plan you are not going to be charged anything, but you will only be given a 10 GBs of available storage, but only 3 users are gonna be allowed. So guys, like when you are starting out, this is actually very great to actually use their free program, because like honestly you can get so much work done using their free plan. But once you have a big team, you will need their premium plans, which are basically like $6 per user per month or $7 per user per month, and that is not a lot of money. But then again, the features you are getting are just so many features. So guys, like definitely take full advantage of their plans because they are not expensive and the features they offer are truly great. So guys, like that is how you can get started with Active Collab. And if you guys have any more questions, just let me know in the comments down below and I will be sure to answer them all as well. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.